Welcome to Mishna, Salem, Pesahim, Mishna. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss bringing the wrong sacrifice on Shabbat. So if a person brings a Korban Pesach on Shabbat for the wrong purpose, he's bringing a Korban Pesach and he's thinking, I'm bringing this as a Korban Shalamim, right? He does so on Shabbat, he's going to be Hayav Hatat, because now you slaughtered something inappropriately on Shabbat. You did a melacha on Shabbat for no reason. That everyone agrees to. But let's say you took other korbanot, right, and you slaughtered them for a korban pesach. So if I took a cow and I slaughtered for a korban pesach, that wouldn't count. So I'd be hayav, right, because I slaughtered a cow on Shabbat. But let's say a person slaughtered a 1-year-old, sheep. It's perfect for a korban pesach. Now, he brought it as a shalamim, but he slaughtered it l'shem korban pesach. Is he going to be hayav for that or not? That's going to be the discussion about Mishna. So a pesach shechato shelo lishmo b'Shabbat hayav l'hatat. Korban pesach they brought for the wrong purpose on Shabbat, you're going to be hayav l'hatat. Ushar kol zevachim, all other korbanot sheshachatan l'shem pesach. If you brought it l'shem pesach, so im enam reuyim, if it's not fit, if it's a cow. Right? Hayav, you're going to be hayav because you did a melacha, you slaughtered, you drew blood on Shabbat. V'im re'uyim, let's say they were fit for a korban pesach. Rabbi Eliezer mechayav hatat, Rabbi Yoshua poter. Okay, machloket. Rabbi Eliezer says you're going to be hayav hatat, right? Again, because you're not bringing this as a korban pesach at the end of the day. Rabbi Yoshua poter. Rabbi Yoshua says no, patur, because it could have been an animal for korban pesach. Amar Rabbi Eliezer. Rabbi Eliezer says, okay, look. Right? Rabbi Eliezer was the one who said that this is hayav hatat. Rabbi Eliezer says, "Umayim pesach shu mutar lishmo." Look, you have a Korban Pesach that's mutar to bring, right? You're supposed to bring it on the 14th, with the right person, with the right intention. Keshinat shimo hayav. When you changed it to the wrong purpose, you're going to be hayav. Or something that you were allowed to bring. If you change it, you're going to be hayav. Zivachim shem asurin lishman. A regular korban that you're not allowed to bring on Shabbat, even for the right purpose, right? You can't bring a korban nedava, korban yachid on Shabbat. So, kesheshinat sheman erodin sheyeh hayav. If you change it for the wrong purpose, of course you should be hayav for something like that, right? Kal vachomer. Amalo Rabbi Yoshua. Rabbi Yoshua responds, no. Im amarta b'Pesach sheshina lo davar asur. When you took a korban Pesach, you changed it to something that is asur, right? You took the Korban Pesach and you changed it to a Korban Yahid, right? A Korban Shalamim on Shabbat. We know Korban Yahid not allowed to bring on Shabbat. That's why. Kumar bezvachim say by other Korbanot sheshinan davar mutar, that you change it to something else. That's mutar, right? If you change you change it to something that would be appropriate. Okay, what are you comparing it to? Okay, I have something else that'll prove the point. The emurim, right? The innards, right, of the korbanot that you bring on Shabbat. You have to bring certain korbanot on Shabbat. Korban tamid, the korban musaf. Okay, that everyone has to bring. Okay, these you're supposed to bring it for the right purpose. But if someone, right, goes ahead and took a Korban Pesach and slaughtered it as a Korban Tamid, he'll be hayav for it. Okay, so here you see something, right, that was allowed, and if you slaughtered it for the wrong purpose, it would also be hayav. Look, hayav, Rabbi Yoshua, what are you going to say? Rabbi Yoshua, no. Look, emunat tzibur, there's a specific amount that you could bring. Right? You could bring X amount of Korban Musaf. Right? You could bring one Korban Tamid in the morning, one in the afternoon. Right? There's a specific amount. Everybody knows. Korban Pesach, you're going to say the same thing about Korban Pesach, that there is no set amount. You bring as many Korban Pesach as there are Bnei Israel. Everyone could bring. Right? You can't compare the two. Rabbi Meir argues there on even the premise. He goes, no. Even if you slaughter for the emunat tzibur, you'd also be patur for that. Right? So he's even taking Rabbi Yoshua even a step further than Rabbi Yoshua was taking. Halacha ke Rabbi Yoshua. Halacha like Rabbi Yoshua that we said right? We said if a person slaughters, right, slaughters it, if it could have been fit for Korban Pesach, right, then he would be patur. Right, so the son of the Mishnah, if a person took a Korban Pesach and he slaughtered for the wrong reason on Shabbat, he's going to be hayav hada. Right, all other zevachim, all other korbanot, it depends whether or not they're fit for a Korban Pesach. Right, if they're not fit for a Korban Pesach, if it's a cow, it'd be hayav hada. Right, for violating Shabbat, you slaughtered on Shabbat. But if it's something that could have been fit for Korban Pesach, according to the Yoshua, you'd be patur. Halakha is likely to be Yehoshua.